wish you all the best. God bless the years ahead. Just know we'll never forget. Our memories will never last. Long live and stay awesome. I mean, the first time we know, like, you joined loading and you were like freaky at the same time. Turns out I thought you were the bad guy, but turns out you tried to be a better person. So I thought it was work, and wishing you all the best for the years ahead. Stay true, gentlemen.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
You were awkward.
Really
You
awkward.
are.
Nerd.
And you will always be. Keep up the awkwardness. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
You know you're weird. However, you'll always be my bro face.
Bro face.
Oh, come on.
Happy birthday to you. Like, to all the problems and sorrows. Like,
No, no.
I don't know how to get through that. To all the pain and sorrow, I know we're gonna put it alone. Just know that maybe we'll never meet again. But if you are feeling sad and down, just remember the song, right? Happy birthday, my dears. We wish you all the best. God bless the years ahead. Just know that we'll never forget. Our memories will never last. Long live and stay awesome. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yeah, yeah. Happy birthday to you, my dears. Happy birthday, because September is your month. Happy birthday!
Lisa.